Today we're unboxing and checking out my new outdoor porch light. It has lots of cool features to check out, so let's dive into it. This porch light comes shipped nicely packed to make sure it arrives safely. Inside, you have a manual, hardware, and a mounting bracket, as well as your light. The porch light has two bulbs, facing both up and down, and the bulbs are included. It's IP65 waterproof and dustproof, keeping you safe from even intense weather. Then my favorite selling point, it has a built-in Gfci outlet on the side. We don't have a single working outlet on the outside of our house. If we want power in the backyard, we have to run an extension cord from the house or from the barn. Now I can just plug it into my light, saving time and energy. It also has a sensor that detects the light. It'll turn off during the day and on at night. I really like the design of this light and I love all the extra cool features. But unfortunately, it's winter right now and the weather's awful, so I can't install right now. But I'm excited to get this up and running and have power access in my yard here soon. I'll make an update video on installation when the weather improves. If you'd like to get one for yourself, please use the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel and it doesn't cost you any extra. Till next time, I'm off to go make some snow angels with the Huskies. See ya!